Okay, so once again, I am going to put a ribbon around this board because I do like the boards to be dressed up if you can. So what I do is I just use double-sided tape and I just stick it on there. I did wipe off this board to get, you know, there was a little bit of icing on it. You know, obviously if there's any kind of grease on here, the double-sided tape will not stick. But you can use tacky glue. You can, you know, sometimes a glue stick will work, but I don't have a lot of luck with that. I like the double-sided tape. It just seems to work the best for me, for my purposes. So, and you can get ribbon of any kind of, any decoration you want. You can get cars, you can get sports, you can get every holiday you can imagine. So, but I just go around with the double-sided tape. I'm almost there. You know, if the buttercream had time to crust, it might make it a little less intimidating, but that's okay. And see, I'm almost around to the edge here. And then this is just some snowflake ribbon that I found, just, you know, in anticipation of doing a winter cake, or a frozen cake as it were. So just start laying it on here. And you know, the thing about this cake is like I said, every little girl wants frozen cake. Well, you know, little boys like frozen too, but they don't have to necessarily have the princess cake version of frozen. They can have the penguin version, something that's a little more boyish, maybe. Okay. So just trim it off. Hopefully your scissors are better than these. And again, you can use double-sided tape on there again, or just take some of your chocolate and that'll work too. As long as it's still coming out the end of your bag, which is always you never know. There we go. Just put a little chocolate on there. Kind of tip it up. Here. Put some on the inside. Make sure you fold your ribbon just so that you don't have any raw edges. And you're probably going to want to hold that till it sets up. You know, details. I'm making a mess here, but you get the idea. Okay, just like everything else, just hold on to it for a minute. And there's that. And if you want to, I've got these little decorates, little snowflakes, you know, put a couple of those on there, let them fall, you know, just whatever. Just add to it however you want to do. Okay, so there it is. Here's your your winter themed cake with your little penguins. You can do whatever you want with them. Add little scarves to them. Make little more, you know, some more snowballs, little mounds of snowballs, and just have fun with it. This is a really, really fun cake. The little figures are so easy to make, and they're just a lot of fun, and they add so much whimsy to your project. So again, my name is Valerie Lindsley for YummyArts. Thanks a lot.